Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. In this video, I'm going to discuss the price for making excuses. Think of the time you're late. Most of us make up a reason why we're late. So excuses are invented reasons not to take action or to neglect your responsibility. Excuse allows us to uphold a falsely higher self-concept by saying, in general, I'm an on-time person, but because of traffic or ABCD, I didn't make it on time. It perpetuates the conditional self-love. I only love myself when I'm on time. We try really hard to uphold a certain image in front of others of being better than we really are. And that drains our energy. I'm not saying here that it's okay for you to be late all the time. What I'm saying is that by not facing the part of you that's late and pretending that it's not on you, you're not doing your job. We make excuses out of fear of failure, embarrassment, but also out of fear of having to actually do the hard work, or maybe even succeeding in life. Excuses keep us safe in our comfort zone. Comfort zone might be comfy, yet that's not where the greatness lives. Excuses prevent you from living your potential. On the surface, it might not be a terrible thing to constantly make excuses about being late. However, there's actually a big price we pay for it. Excuses allow us not to move forward. They promote creation of self-limiting beliefs such as I'm terrible at keeping time. The more you tell yourself you can't be on time, the more late you are. It is now how you are, the person that cannot be on time. Now being late became your identity. Now you stop participating in anything that requires you being on time because you can't make it. Everything requires you to be on time. Now you have constricted your comfort zone to be really claustrophobic. You put so much mental energy to keeping this vision of yourself that you are stopping a flow of creativity and stall any action. This seemingly benign excuse becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. In other words, careful what you identify with, because you'll become it. In rock climbing circles, excuse making is incredibly prolific. It's not uncommon for a climber, let's call her Marta, to start her climbing day listing all the excuses. My shoes are old, the weather is too cold, I didn't sleep well last night, the hold is too small. Imagine if the same Marta climber instead concentrated on her own breathing, her own footwork, precision, and actually letting herself try hard. Imagine how much better her climbing would be. Anyway, if you would like to take a closer look how you make excuses, I prepared a worksheet for you. Just click on the link below. Thanks for watching and commenting, and if you make a lot of excuses, stop, because one who's good at making excuses is probably not very good at anything else.